So, to do some fence installation here, we're going to use the handy dandy post hole auger that now works awesome. And before I do that, I'm going to, because I have never checked this since we bought the place, the tractor came with it, but I'm going to check the gear case oil, and I'm basically anticipating having to add some. So just kind of one of those little tasks. So we'll see if I can get that off there anyways, and go from there. Alright, so get this plug off here, and I actually didn't go too badly. So, plugs out, and it looks like there's basically no fluid in there, so put this here. So we went and picked this up this afternoon, did some reading, because I'm not particularly amazing with machines. Anybody that knows me would very much agree with that, but we're trying. So let's it's harder to get the there we go. Well, of course I need to cut this. Just 1 second. Okay, so got that cut off, and just see how much this takes. Whether it takes the whole bottle or not, I have no idea. As terrible as this is the first time I've ever checked this, and we have been using it. Feeling it's going to take a lot. Okay, I think I'm going to be glad I bought a second jug. Still going to go and get the second one though, because it's very, very, very close, but not quite full. So bottle 2. It's gear oil basically. This is a learning curve for us, trying to figure out what exactly was the proper thing. So anyways, 8W90 apparently, and looked it up. It's supposed to be the right stuff, so finish topping this up. No, it didn't take a whole lot of extra from the second one. Anyways, I'll put this back on, the plug here. Now that we have the right stuff, this is a very easy thing to do. I'm going to assume I can just kind of hand tighten that. And that's that. So we're ready to start putting in posts.